Welcome, gentlemen, to the Man Style Decree. If you're over 50, style isn't about looking younger. It's about looking sharp, relevant, and confident in your skin. Today, we're breaking down 10 summer style mistakes that instantly age you and how to fix them. Hit that subscribe button and let's elevate your summer wardrobe. Oversized polo shirts. Narration. Wearing oversized polos might seem comfortable, but they destroy your proportions. Instead of making you look relaxed, they make you look lazy. Choose polos with a structured collar, a slight taper at the waist, and sleeves that end mid-bicep. It's a simple upgrade that sharpens your frame and shows you still care about looking put together. Don't let baggy polos bury your shape. Tailor your fit and keep it crisp. 2. Heavy denim and summer thick jeans in the summer? That's a sweat trap and a visual weight you don't need. Dark, heavy denim makes you look stiff and out of season. Try lightweight denim or cotton linen blends in mid-wash or stone tones. They breathe better and move with you. When the temperature rises, your clothes should help you stay cool, not remind people of winter. 3. Thick leather shoes with shorts. Narration. This one's easy. Never wear dressy leather shoes with casual summer outfits. It screams outdated. Summer is for ease, so bring in white sneakers, espadrilles, or leather sandals. They match the vibe, stay breathable, and don't weigh you down. Wearing chunky brown Oxfords with shorts is like pairing flip-flops with a tux. Choose smarter, lighter, cleaner footwear for a younger summer look. 4. Loud Hawaiian prints. We get it, you're on vacation, but oversized tropical shirts with blaring floral prints can quickly turn you into a walking cliche. Opt for muted tropical motifs or patterned linen shirts in softer tones. They still say summer, but with class and confidence. Remember, you want to look timeless, not like a tourist lost in 1998. 5. Cargo shorts overload. Cargo shorts with giant pockets hanging off your thighs? It's not functional. It's outdated. Those bulky silhouettes add years and pounds. Instead, swap them out for tailored chino shorts that sit just above the knee. Clean lines always win. Keep your pockets minimal and your fit intentional. That's how you dress smart without looking like you're stuck in the early 2000s. 6. Wearing all black in summer narration. Black is classic, but under the blazing summer sun, it absorbs heat and often ages your appearance. It also flattens your outfit and hides your features. Instead, go for navy, light gray, olive, or soft beige. They're cooler in tone and temperature. These colors bring life back to your skin tone and make your outfit feel light and effortless. Summer is the perfect time to swap the blacks for something airier. You'll look sharper, cooler, and much more in season. 7. Wearing old promotional tees, wearing a faded Marathon 2009 or corporate golf day tee might feel nostalgic, but it screams, "I gave up." These shirts do nothing for your image. Instead, opt for well-fitted tees in solid colors or subtle stripes made from breathable fabrics. A simple switch from a branded relic to a clean tee will instantly elevate your look. Show that your style has matured, even if your shirt no longer says so. 8. Tucked-in t-shirts with belts. Unless you're tucking into tailored pants with purpose, stop tucking casual tees into shorts or jeans, especially with a belt. It chops your frame and often draws attention to your midsection. Let your shirt flow naturally or tuck with intent using high-rise chinos or drawstring pants. Balance and proportion matter most when you're over 50. Your outfit should move with you, not box you in. 9. Worn-out sandals. Sandals are great for summer, but those cracked, flattened soles and frayed straps aren't. Replace them with quality leather or sturdy canvas pairs that still breathe but offer support and structure. Bonus if they match your color palette. You don't need luxury, just refinement. Your feet carry your style. Don't drag down the look with beat-up flip-flops. 10. Ignoring layering, yes, it's hot, but smart layering still works in summer. A light overshirt, unbuttoned linen shirt over a tee, or a short-sleeve jacket can add depth and maturity to your style. It's not about warmth, it's about visual interest. One-layer outfits often look incomplete. Layering shows intention, gives you flexibility, and elevates even simple pieces. Done right, it becomes your signature. Style over 50 doesn't mean chasing youth. It means dressing with purpose. Ditch the summer habits that age you and lean into confidence and clarity. Hit subscribe to the Man Style Decree and take your style to the next level.